Are you tired of wading through complicated regulations and compliance requirements in order to get your FDA approval for food contact materials? Well, look no further. Our exclusive online training simplifies everything you need to know about US FDA compliances to get your products to market quickly and efficiently. This online training is specifically tailored to meet the needs of chemical industry professionals, including those who are into food contact materials. So whether you're a formulator, product developer, quality control specialist, or regulatory affairs manager, you will find this training useful. We understand that time is of the essence, which is why our training is designed to be efficient and easy to understand. Our expert trainers will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the US FDA regulations regarding food contact materials, including all the updates and changes. During the training, you will learn everything from the basic requirements for food contact materials to the intricate details of specific materials and additives. After completing our training, you will walk away with a thorough understanding of the US FDA regulations and necessary compliances for food contact materials, as well as practical strategies for implementing this knowledge in your daily work. You'll get to know the tools and resources you need to stay up to date with the latest regulatory changes and ensure your products are always in compliance with US FDA regulations. So, don't let the complicated US FDA regulations and compliance hold you back from bringing your food contact materials to the US market. Register now for this online training and take the valuable and important step towards success. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.